Opposition leader NACHAMISA has launched a scathing attack on President Emmerson Mnangagwa's government, accusing it of plundering national resources and robbing Zimbabweans of their future. Sana pana mashoko budanyo pana NACHAMISA wachiti Mnangagwa is turned stealing into a skill. Kuti wa subscribe or like or turn the bell like or tip na mobile kwamchitsi. In a powerful statement released on Wednesday, Chamisa directly challenged both the regime and the citizens, urging Zimbabweans not to remain passive in the face of what he described as wholesale theft by ruling elite in courts. Corruption must never be a fashion or a skill, Chamisa declared. You stole the elections, you stole the mandate, you stole the gold, you stole the money through dues, you stole opportunities from citizens, you stole the dignity of the citizens, you stole the pride of the nation. You are stealing in every tender. Chamisa, who continues to position himself as the voice of political change in Zimbabwe, said the country's current leadership has crossed a line from mismanagement to outright criminality, warning, we can't allow you to steal the future. He went further to compare the level of greed in Zimbabwe's leadership to gluttony with no limits. Thieves in governments elsewhere steal from their countries, but the thieves in our yard actually steal the whole country. What a shame, he said. Amuguti seiko, mune muromo minganiko, mune matumbo rudziko asingaguti. Chamisa's remarks are likely to further heighten tension between the opposition and ZANU-PF, particularly as public frustration mounts over Western economic conditions, high-level corruption, and a lack of accountability in government institutions. His message concluded with a call to action aimed directly at the citizens. Don't allow Mnangagwa to steal your future. As a Zimbabweans, the political landscape remains deeply polarized. Chamisa's fear statement reflects growing desperation among opposition voices to galvanize public resistance against what they see as the systemic erosion of democracy and national integrity. Ndomashwara kuda panguva ino Chamisa aiwa achislama aiwa vakomana veZANU-PF vachiti aiwa manyanyisa kuba kwenyu kwanyanyisa chatakutyira chekuti muchirega zvenyu kungoba future yedu. Pina comment section medu mafungiro aimuri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.